Go ahead.
This is Shaurish Srivastava, co-founder of Upscale, and we are presenting here. We are talking about Hinterland Heroes, our program, which is an initiative of Upscale.work. Upscale.work is by Bizpreneur Innovations Private Limited, and it is co-founded by Mr. Paritosh Srivastava, Captain Ritu Dubey, and myself. And we have come up with an initiative, Interland Heroes, which is by Upscale plus Government of Uttar Pradesh, that is starting UP. And we have our ecosystem partners as Time Lucknow, Trulogy, and Value Enhancers. Okay. Okay, so we are here with our guest, Miss Swati Pandey, who is from
Hello,
Arboreal
hello everyone.
Bioinnovations, Lucknow. And how she did her she was in IIT Dhanbad, and then she went to Singapore, and then how she came back to Lucknow. So let us start. Are you okay to go, Swati?
Yes,
Welcome
yes,
to this
good,
program.
good. Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you. Hello everyone.
yeah. So first of all, can you tell us more about your like social background? How was it? आपका फैमिली बैकग्राउंड क्या था? कहाँ पर आप जन्मी हैं और आपकी
Right,
एजुकेशन कैसी हुई? जी.
right. So मैं इंजीनियर हूँ बैकग्राउंड से. मेरी पढ़ाई अलग-अलग जगहों पे हुई है. My dad was in a transferable job, so we kept moving every few years. So मेरी पैदाइश बैंगलोर की है, but we lived there only for a few years, and then we moved to Hyderabad. I lived in Assam also for some time. MP में हम लोग काफी टाइम रहे. उसके बाद फिर पेरेंट्स मेरे अभी देहरादून में हैं. But I have been, moving all around. So बैचलर्स के लिए आई वेंट टू IIT धनबाद, एंड देन वेंट टू लंदन, फिर वहां से सिंगापुर, और पिछले 5 सालों से इंडिया, दिल्ली, और पिछले 2-2.5 सालों से लखनऊ.
वाह, सो पूरा इंडिया घूम लिया आपने. हर जगह आप यू हैव ट्रैवल्ड अ
हाँ,
लॉट. वेरी नाइस.
यस आई हैव.
सो लाइक ये आपको आया कैसे, जो कीड़ा होता है, मुझे एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है, मुझे बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, ये कीड़ा कहाँ से आया? हाउ डिड यू थॉट अबाउट लाइक ये बग आया आपसे?
ये बग एक्चुअली एक बार में नहीं आया, अचानक से नहीं आया. इट हैज बीन अ ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस फॉर मी, बट आई थिंक कि कुछ चीजें, नाउ व्हेन आई लुक बैक, आई मीन इट फील्स लाइक कि कुछ चीजें लाइफ में डेस्टिन्ड होती हैं. एंड आई रिमेम्बर आई वाज गुड एट स्टडीज, एंड आई वेंट टू IIT, एंड देन उसके बाद प्लान था कि आई वेंट फॉर मास्टर्स टू इंपीरियल कॉलेज लंदन में. फिर प्लान था कि आगे PhD करेंगे और यहीं पे कुछ करेंगे. बट कहीं ना कहीं ये था कि जो भी काम मैं करूंगी, इट नीड्स टू हैव एन इम्पैक्ट, यू नो. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं पे था मन में, एंड आई थिंक डेस्टिनी हैज अ वे ऑफ एक्चुअली, गेटिंग यू ऑन द पाथ दैट यू आर सपोज टू. सो आई थिंक फिर चीजें ऐसी ऐसी हुई धीरे धीरे कि आई एंडेड अप बिकमिंग अ फुल टाइम एंटरप्रेन्योर.
Okay, so when did you like started like a I want to start this business, or you were in Singapore, right? If we met and we talked that you were in Singapore and then you started this business. So so can you tell us about that process? Most of our aspiring
Yes,
entrepreneurs who are looking, or viewers would like to know about that.
right, right. So this actually started when I went to London. So Imperial College London में मैं मास्टर्स कर रही थी, और वहाँ पे मौका मिला, एक यूरोपियन यूनियन एक समर स्कूल कराता है, उसको ज्वाइन करने का मौका मिला, और दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट एक्सपोजर टू द बिजनेस वर्ल्ड. उसके पहले ना कभी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में सोचा था, ना बिजनेस खोलने के बारे में सोचा था. मेरी फैमिली में भी कभी किसी ने कोई बिजनेस नहीं किया, सो आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड.
अच्छा.
But वहाँ पे समर स्कूल में the idea was कि so the idea of actually organizing the summer school itself was that कि they wanted to encourage students to start with their own business, and look at a problem that they are passionate about solving. So
Hmm.
वो पहला exposure था, और वहाँ पे हम लोग we came up with this idea, and we came up with this name actually, Arboreal. उस टाइम हम लोग 5 लोग थे, ऑल फ्रॉम 5 डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, और हम लोग कुछ सोशल सेक्टर में करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. तो उस टाइम पे आइडिया ये था कि कई सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट हैं जिनकी सप्लाई चेन बहुत ज़्यादा स्कैटर्ड है और बहुत ज़्यादा इनएफिशिएंट है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर स्पेशली आप हर्बल प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करें तो उसमें कई सारे मिडल मैन इन्वॉल्व होते हैं और जो फार्मर इन द एंड इतनी मेहनत करके वो चीज उगाता है उसको एक्चुअली पूरे वैल्यू चेन का एक बहुत ही छोटा पोर्शन उसे मिलता है। सो उस टाइम पे आइडिया ये था कि हम लोग ये सारे मिडल मैन को कट करके इसको एक 3 स्टेप स्मॉल एन एफिशिएंट सप्लाई चेन बना दे जहाँ पे कस्टमर हो, फार्मर हो और हम हो, एंड वी टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग एल्स, नॉलेज ट्रांसफर और क्वालिटी कंट्रोल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। तो उससे हम लोगों ने शुरुआत की और वहीं पे आर्बोरियल नाम भी आया था। दैट्स हाउ वी स्टार्टेड। बट लाइक एनीथिंग एल्स जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ते गए हमारे टीम भी डिसबैंड हो गई, पीपल वेंट इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस, लोग पीएचडी कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे, हम लोग सब स्टूडेंट्स थे। तो सब लोग अपने अपने एम्बिशन, सबके एम्बिशंस अलग थे, सब लोग अलग अलग डायरेक्शंस में चले गए। बट आफ्टर ग्रेजुएटिंग मैं जब इंडिया वापस आई और फिर मुझे फिर से मौका मिला एक वेंचर कैपिटल फंड के साथ काम करने का, कॉल्ड इन्फ्यूज वेंचर्स। तो वहां पे फिर ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली बहुत सारे दूसरे एंटरप्रेन्योर से मिलने का, और फिर काइंड ऑफ ये जो कीड़ा था वो वापस आ गया कि हम भी कुछ कर सकते हैं, एंड वी हैड दिस आइडिया व्हिच वाज गुड, मे बी वी शुड एक्सप्लोर इट फर्दर। तो फिर उस पर फिर से काम करना शुरू किया। एंड तब भी बट आई वाज डूइंग इट काइंड ऑफ पार्ट टाइम, मेरे पास एक जॉब था, साथ साथ में कुछ कुछ एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। फिर सिंगापुर में काम करने का मौका मिला, सो आई डिड दैट आल्सो। बट इन पैरेलल कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में था ये कि कुछ अपना करना है, सो वी केप्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग। हम लोग लोगों से बात कर रहे थे इंडस्ट्री में, स्पेस के बारे में और समझ रहे थे, उसको स्टडी कर रहे थे। एंड 2015 में आई गॉट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि हाँ अब सही टाइम है, नाउ आई कैन क्विट माय जॉब एंड जंप इनटू इट फुल टाइम। तो तब मैंने फिर ये डिसाइड किया कि अब फुल टाइम करना है, और अब फिर जॉब छोड़ के मैं वापस आई गया।
Acha, very nice. Great story. So, most of the viewers don't know actually what is stevia.
या
Can you tell us more about stevia? What is stevia and यहाँ पर क्यों फार्मिंग कर रहे हैं आप इसकी, और फिर उसके प्रोडक्ट्स भी बना रहे हैं आप? Yes.
राइट राइट। सो स्टीविया एक 0 कैलोरी नेचुरल स्वीटनर है। ये एक पौधे से आता है, जैसे कि कई सारे दूसरे पौधे भी होते हैं। तुलसी का पौधा है जो हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, उसी तरह से एक छोटा-सा पौधा होता है। इसकी पत्तियाँ जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट होती हैं, एंड द एडवांटेज इज़ दैट कि इसमें कोई कैलोरी नहीं होती। सो इसको कोई भी कंज़्यूम कर सकता है। आप डायबिटिक हैं या आप इन जनरल वेट लूज़ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Zero
इट इज़
calorie.
सेफ फॉर एवरीवन, कंप्लीटली 0 कैलोरी, हमारे बॉडी में मेटाबोलाइज़ ही नहीं होता है। सो ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग पौधा है। जब हम लोग इसके व्हेन वी केम अक्रॉस इट, वी फेल्ट कि दुनिया में ऑलरेडी व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड एक्चुअली लुकिंग एट इट 2015 में, वी कुड ऑलरेडी सी दिस कन्वर्सेशन हैपनिंग। लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा बात करने लगे थे शुगर के बारे में कि शुगर कैसे खराब है, शुगर कैसे हमें नहीं खानी चाहिए, ऑल दैट कन्वर्सेशन हैड स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग। तो उस टाइम पे हमें लगा कि ये एक एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा सॉल्यूशन, अल्टरनेटिव सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है शुगर के लिए। दूसरा मेरा ये स्टीविया काम करने का एक पर्सनल रीज़न भी था काफ़ी बड़ा, वो ये है कि मेरी मदर पिछले 25 सालों से डायबिटिक हैं। तो उनका वो
Oh,
स्ट्रगल मैंने देखा है। मुझे याद है जब उनको जब हमें पता चला था कि शी इज़ डायबिटिक, उस टाइम पे बहुत बड़ा शॉक था पूरी फैमिली के लिए, यू नो क्योंकि उस टाइम पे डायबिटीज़ बहुत कम लोगों को होता था, या हम ज़्यादा सुनते नहीं थे कि लोगों को डायबिटीज़ हो रहा है, एंड इट स्टिल यूज्ड टू साउंड समथिंग वेरी बिग। अभी बहुत लोगों को होने लगा। आई थिंक एवरी फैमिली, मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स जिनसे मैं
right.
बात करती हूँ, सबकी फैमिली में एक ना एक बंदा डायबिटिक है। बट बैक देन, आज से 25 साल पहले, आई मीन इट साउंडेड लाइक अ बिग डील, कोई गाइडेंस नहीं था और पूरी फैमिली के लिए वो बहुत बड़ा शॉक था। और उस टाइम पे डॉक्टर्स यूज्ड टू जस्ट से कि आप परहेज करिए, चीनी मत खाइए, ये मत खाइए, वो मत खाइए, एंड दे वुडंट टेल यू आप क्या खा सकते हैं। तो एक शुगर पेशेंट के लिए वो एक बहुत बड़ा शॉक होता है कि नाउ मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी अभी एकदम से बदलने वाली है, राइट? एंड आई सॉ हर स्ट्रगल कि शी इज़ समबडी हू लव्स स्वीट, उन्हें मीठा बहुत पसंद है। तो उनके लिए वो एक बहुत
जो
बड़ा
डायबिट
कॉम्प्रोमाइज़
पेशेंट को
था।
ऐसे ही
या तो उनके लिए वो एक बहुत बड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ था, एंड आई हैव सीन दैट स्ट्रगल फर्स्ट हैंड। और उनकी तरह आई एम श्योर बहुत से लोग हैं इंडिया में, एंड आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि ये एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो कि इस तरह के बहुत सारे करोड़ों लोगों की लाइफ चेंज कर सकता है। सो दैट वाज़ द
लगता है।
मोटिवेशन।
Nice. So, matlab, so this like it was more of a personal thing, or it was like you studied more on stevia, and how did you settle? This settling was because of personal reason, or it was you studied more about it, or या फिर आप you were also looking for other things. You were कि ये pivot था कि आपने पहले कुछ और product सोचा, फिर बाद में आपने pivot किया ऐसा.
Right.
Was it like that?
So like I said कि it was a combination of a lot of things, right? तो पहले तो ये था कि ये जो समर स्कूल था उससे एक एक्सपोजर मिला कि हाँ एंटरप्रेन्योरियल वर्ल्ड ये होता है, अपना बिजनेस किया जा सकता है, यू डोंट नीड टू कम फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस फैमिली यू नो टू स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस, तो वो एक एक्सपोजर मिला. दूसरी चीज जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस थिंग कि मैं जो भी काम करूं उसका एक इम्पैक्ट होना चाहिए लोगों की लाइफ पे. एंड आई फेल्ट कि पीएचडी और रिसर्च करना एक तरीका है, बट एक्चुअली एक बिजनेस सेटअप करना और लोगों को जॉब देना और एक ऐसा बिजनेस करना जिसके प्रोडक्ट्स एक्चुअली लोगों की लाइफ पे पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर सके, उससे एक काफी ज्यादा स्केल पे, एक बड़े स्केल पे इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट हो सकता है. So I got convinced कि हाँ entrepreneurship is probably something for me as well. This is something that I can consider. और फिर हम लोगों ने व्हेन वी केम इनटू दिस स्पेस हमने ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारी दूसरी क्रॉप्स को भी स्टडी किया. हमने मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स में कई सारी चीजों को स्टडी किया. कार्नेट करके एक प्लांट होता है. वी लुक्ड एट इंडियन जिनसेंग, अश्वगंधा जो है, कई सारे हमने प्लांट्स को देखा और फिर पूरा मार्केट को स्टडी करते हुए कि वी फेल्ट कि ये जो शिफ्ट है, एक मेजर शिफ्ट जो दुनिया में आ रहा है, नॉट जस्ट इन इंडिया बट पूरी दुनिया में आ रहा है कि लोग हेल्दी प्रोडक्ट्स चाह रहे हैं अब, और उसमें शुगर एक बहुत बड़ा कल्प्रिट है क्योंकि हम नो मैटर हम क्या खा रहे हैं उसमें चीनी है आज. सो वी फेल्ट कि ये इन टर्म्स ऑफ कमर्शियल अपॉर्चुनिटी ये एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी होने वाली है आगे टाइम में. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी बेट ऑन. And so basically it was a combination of all these things, that personal angle as well as commercial opportunity, and my personal preference of doing something where I can create an impact.
Very sparing. So लेकिन start करने के लिए normally you need money. तो ये आपके पास कैसे आया? Was it like it was bootstrap completely, or you found an investor and then you did it? How was it?
Right. So initially it was bootstrapped. So me and my co-founder Manish, we put in everything we had that we had saved in our jobs. And उसी से शुरुआत की. And we put in like about 70-80 lakhs of our own money. And then we got support from seed investors. 2016 में we got some money from our seed investors. और ये एक ग्रुप था from all around the world, people that we had worked with personally or we had known professionally, Manish or me. तो ये दुनिया भर से लोग थे. We had people from US, UK, Ireland, Indonesia, दुनिया भर से लोगों को हम लोगों ने इकट्ठा किया, and we got some support in our seed round. So that carried us for a few more years, and in 2018 we raised a larger round.
Nice. So you are doing multiple products, right? In stevia, you're doing various products also, right?
Yeah.
So
stevia,
like what would you say, like yeah, please tell me.
Okay, go ahead.
So I was asking, like, what is the USP of your venture? Like, is it the product,
right,
or is it the panel product which you're talking about?
Right. So we have actually हमें काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि आप लोगों ने एक बहुत मुश्किल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने की ठानी है और एक बहुत मुश्किल तरीके से उसको सॉल्व करने की भी ठानी है. And the reason is कि when we got into this space, हम लोगों ने सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट बना के उसको बेचना नहीं शुरू किया. If you look at it, हमारी जर्नी जो है वो 2015 में शुरू हुई और हमारा पहला प्रोडक्ट हमने एक्चुअली पिछले साल, एक्चुअली इसी साल दिसंबर जनवरी में हमने लॉन्च किया. And the reason it took us 5 years was because we wanted to bring a product to the market where we were absolutely sure about the quality. तो हम लोग when we talk about stevia, हम उसकी जो एंटायर सप्लाई चेन है हम उस पे काम कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन पार्ट ऑफ इट कि हमने प्रोडक्ट मार्केट से लेके हम उसको रीब्रांड करके उसको बेच रहे हैं. वी आर एक्चुअली डूइंग एवरीथिंग एंड टू एंड. सो जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि ये एक पौधा होता है, तो राइट फ्रॉम एक्चुअली पौधा लगाना, इवन पौधा लगाने से भी पीछे कि कौन सा पौधा, कौन सी वैरायटी इंडियन क्लाइमेट के लिए अच्छी है, जिसमें कंटेंट ज्यादा होगा, जिसका टेस्ट अच्छा होगा, तो हमने वहां से शुरू किया. वी वेंट बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड एंड वी वर्कड ऑन द वैरायटी. शुरू के 2-3 साल रियली इट वाज ऑल अबाउट एग्रीकल्चर. तो हम लोग सिर्फ इसी पे हमारा फोकस था कि कैसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी स्टीविया का पौधा जो है वो इंडिया में उगाया जाए. तो उसके लिए हमने बहुत सारे ट्रायल्स किए इंडिया के अलग अलग एरियाज में. दुनिया भर से अलग अलग प्लांट्स और जर्म प्लाजम्स हमने इंडिया में मंगाए, उनको स्टडी किया. लिटरली मैं और मेरे को फाउंडर मनीष जो है वी बिकेम फार्मर्स आवरसेल्व्स. हम लोगों ने खेतों में खड़े होके खेती करवाई है अपने सामने. So we did all of that. Then we worked on the process also. अगर आप अभी दुनिया में देखें तो स्टीविया पिछले एक डेकेड से दुनिया के अलग अलग पार्ट्स में मिल रहा है मार्केट में ऑलरेडी. बट 95% जो स्टीविया मार्केट में मिलता है वो सिर्फ चाइना से आ रहा है और वो सेम प्रोसेस यूज करके बनाया जाता है. सो इफ यू लुक एट इट कि वो पत्ती तो नेचुरल होती है जो एक पौधे से आती है, लेकिन उसको प्रोसेस करने के लिए दे यूज सो मेनी केमिकल्स कि जब तक वो एंड में आपके पास एक वाइट पाउडर फॉर्म में पहुंचता है, उसमें इतने प्रोसेस उसको इतना प्रोसेस किया जा चुका है कि आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू कैन इवन कॉल इट नेचुरल. सो वी सेड कि यार ये एक नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है एंड देयर हैज टू बी अ बेटर वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस. तो वी एक्चुअली वर्कड ऑन द टेक्नोलॉजी इटसेल्फ. सो हम लोग काफी लकी थे कि वी एक्चुअली मैनेज टू गेट वेरी सीनियर साइंटिस्ट इन्वॉल्व विद अस. तो उन्होंने हमारे साथ मिलके काम किया एंड वी एक्चुअली डेवलप्ड अ टेक्नोलॉजी व्हिच इज मच मोर क्लीनर एंड एफिशिएंट देन व्हाट द चाइनीज यूज. And then we process and then we actually formulated a product which is a tabletop sweetener that you can use. आप चाय कॉफी जो भी बना रहे हैं आप उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. The reason it's called a tabletop sweetener is that it's meant for your tabletop, कि आप उसको अपनी टेबल पे रखें और जो भी चीज जैसे आप चीनी यूज करते हैं वैसे आप उसे यूज कर सकें. तो मैं यही कहूंगी कि एक कंज्यूमर के पर्सपेक्टिव से हमारा सबसे बड़ा यूएसपी यही है कि अगर मैजिक लीफ की तरफ से कोई प्रोडक्ट बन के आ रहा है सो यू कैन बी अश्योर्ड कि वो 100% नेचुरल है and it is the most natural and probably the best product that can be formulated because we have, and that is the reason हमने 5 साल लिए हैं to actually make that product.
So it must be like a lot of R&D was involved, and there must be a lot of challenges. So can you share some challenges which you faced during this process when you started until now?
Yeah, absolutely. Challenges have been there, definitely. And because we were working on such wide, areas, हम लोग एग्रीकल्चर में काम कर रहे थे, फिर हम फूड टेक में, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में भी काम कर रहे थे. तो ये ऑल दीज एरियाज हैड देयर ओन चैलेंजेस. बट अभी जब हम देखते हैं तो इवन टुडे आई थिंक सबसे मुश्किल पार्ट जो है पूरे बिजनेस का वो एग्री वाला पार्ट है. एंड वी हैव रियलाइज दिस फर्स्ट हैंड कि एक किसान का काम कितना मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि आप इतनी सारी चीजों पे डिपेंडेंट होते हैं कि बरसात कभी ज्यादा हो गई, कभी कम हो गई, कभी कुछ कीड़ों का अटैक हो गया, फंगस अटैक हो गया. देयर आर जस्ट सो मेनी वेरिएबल्स, राइट? तो वो दैट रिमेन्स अ बिग चैलेंज. हम लोगों ने शुरू में जो 3 साल लगे वो भी इसीलिए लगे क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा बिजनेस नहीं है जिसमें आप रातों रात पिवट कर दें कि आप इट्स नॉट अ सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी, राइट? कि आपका कुछ एक इशू हो गया और आपने रात भर में उसको डीबग कर दिया ओवरनाइट, राइट? और दूसरे दिन आपका नया प्रोडक्ट चला गया. इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. आपको यू नीड टू हैव पेशेंस. अगर आपका ये साल का मौसम का इफ यू मिस द सीजन यू हैव टू वेट फॉर अनदर सीजन. देयर इज जस्ट नो अदर वे, राइट? तो वो काफी क्रिटिकल है और काफी चैलेंजिंग रहा है हम लोगों के लिए. एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज वी डिडंट कम फ्रॉम दैट बैकग्राउंड, वी आर ऑल इंजीनियर्स नाउ. तो वो काफी मुश्किल था. दूसरा ये था कि जब हम लोग गांव गांव जाके हम लोग किसानों को ढूंढ रहे थे तो वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज. किसान अपरेंटली उनको काफी लोग जो है धोखा दे चुके हैं पहले इन द नेम ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स फॉर देम. तो वो एक्चुअली डरते हैं अब किसी भी नए एंटिटी को ट्रस्ट करने के लिए. तो इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू एक्चुअली कन्विंस देम टू डू समथिंग न्यू. So that was also quite difficult. In fact, हमें शुरू में काफी opposition भी देखने को मिला. There have been instances जब हमारी storage facilities जला दी थी. And it happened a couple of times. किसी ने आग लगा दी. इनफैक्ट अभी 6 महीने पहले भी हुआ था कि हमारी जो नर्सरी है, वी हैव काइंड ऑफ अ स्मॉल यूनिट, वहां पे हमारा एक छोटा ऑफिस भी है, स्टोरेज भी है एंड एवरीथिंग वी हैव देयर. वहां पे भी somebody tried to break in, ताला वाला तोड़ के घुसने की कोशिश की. वहां पे हमारा बंदा था उस टाइम पे, तो उससे वो डर के थोड़ी देर के बाद भाग गए. but they left a note कि will come back threaten करते हुए. तो उस तरह की चीजें हुई है which were very new, मतलब it's not something जो हमने
Hmm.
पहले कभी देखी थी. uh, but yeah, I mean, the show must go on.
Right. So during these times of struggles and so many challenges you're facing, like who supported you? Like it was friends, family, or some role models, or the people around you who were supporting you the most? According
Right. So I think when you do a startup, one of the most important thing is to have a co-founder. You must have a co-founder who kind of complements your skills and your work style. Uh, Because when you are in the middle of it and when the team is in the middle of it, I mean, you need to have a support. So I think I don't know. I mean, I have a lot of respect for solo entrepreneurs. I don't know how they do it. It's always good to have a support. And I've also been very lucky to have actually very supportive family. So my parents have been very supportive. Shuru se they have given me all the freedom I wanted. Jo karna hai, jo area
Hmm.
chunna hai, jo field chunna hai. Even when I quit my job, I hear a lot of scary stories from other people that how their family didn't support. But my family was
Hmm.
completely supportive. मैं job छोड़ के वापस आई. I mean, they did have their own apprehensions कि what are you doing और तुम सब छोड़ के खेती
Hmm.
करने जा रही हो. But the
वो
support
भी
was
दूसरी
also
जगह पे.
exactly.
They are in
So
Dehradun and you are in Lucknow, Lakhimpur area, and then
yeah,
must be really
yeah,
tough.
yeah. But their support was always there. कि in whatever way, I mean, we can help you, we will help you. So I think that's a big thing to have. So I had a very strong support system.
Great, great. So, एक और चीज मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, like you have farms in which areas? Lakhimpur and which all places?
So we have Lakhimpur, Sitapur, Barabanki,
Okay.
and we are expanding in MP and Jharkhand. So Jharkhand we have already.
Oh,
We are expanding in MP this year.
okay. Majorly
Yeah,
is in Uttar Pradesh. Right?
majorly it's in Uttar
Okay.
Pradesh. Correct.
Okay. So like okay. So like again like what was the role of funds like? Because it was majorly an R&D company when you started it out. So the role of funds must be huge, and like it must be like really difficult to secure these funds. कि वो
Yeah,
पैसा लगाएंगे R&D में डाल के कोई करेगा. So how you convince the investor? How did you get it? People would like to know this story. This is altogether different.
right. So you're right. I mean, it was very difficult to raise money, and especially because with people with background like ours, like me and Manish, I had worked in the venture capital space, so I was a bit familiar with it. Manish came from a pure play financing and investing background. So we were quite
Hmm.
confident that that we should be able to raise money, but it was much tougher than what we thought. And
Achha,
it's like
even
a
after
chicken
having
and
that
egg.
financial background. Hmm.
Yeah, exactly. Even then,
You're correct.
and all the things that we both of us had done, in the past, it still was very difficult. And primarily because it was kind of a chicken and egg situation. And I think all manufacturing startups probably face the same thing. Because what happens is that when you approach an investor, they ask you to show revenue, and you
Hmm.
need money to actually start productions, okay, so that you can generate revenue. So it's like a chicken
Hmm.
and egg thing that without money you can't generate revenue, and without revenue you're not getting money.
Right.
Um, so it took us a long time, and we approached, the usual suspects, the main, the leading VCs in the country, and everywhere we had the same issue. But we also learned, one of the biggest lessons, which is the law of averages. It works everywhere, and you just, need one yes, and it's a numbers game. So you just need to keep going and keep knocking door to door, and you just need one
Hmm.
yes, one investor who believes in you and believes in your vision, and that happened. So we found an investor who came with full conviction. So we were getting interest from some other VCs as well, but they would normally say कि ठीक है हम इतना डालेंगे, हम आधा डालेंगे, आप आधे के लिए लीड इन्वेस्टर कोई दूसरा ले आओ, and then we'll piggyback. But then we
Hmm.
found this one investor who came with full conviction. They were like, कितना चाहिए हम पूरा डालेंगे. We don't need anybody else. We believe in you guys, and we believe in the opportunity, and we
Hmm.
believe in what you're doing. So that was it. I mean, and we got our investor. They have been very supportive, throughout the
Hmm.
journey, and we are very lucky that we actually found them. Yeah.
Hmm.
So it really is a law of averages. I mean, you have to keep trying, and you just need
Yeah.
one yes.
So patience, hard work, keep on doing it, and you'll find.
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
लेकिन आपके
people will say
investor भी
no.
कपड़े
Yeah,
तगड़े हैं.
yeah. So investors will say no, right? And you just shouldn't get bogged down by that. There
Hmm.
is, I mean, if it was a business idea that everybody understood and everybody saw the potential, then many people would already be doing it, right? So
Right.
you shouldn't get bogged down by that. No matter what you're doing, I'm sure even the most successful entrepreneurs today have been rejected by investors, right? So that
Hmm.
will happen,
Hmm.
but you have to keep trying, and you will find that one investor who believes in you, and that's all you need.
Right. 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 So, what's the best part of being an entrepreneur? And like, what keeps you motivated to go on, have that patience, and still being motivated? How do you do that?
I was watching an interview recently by one of the Zomato's co-founders, and he said something that really stuck with me. So he said that entrepreneurship is actually not a career choice; it's a lifestyle choice. And I totally
Right.
agree with it, because it's just changes how you live, in general. It's not just like
Right.
कि आपका ये एक प्रोफेशनल साइड है सिर्फ आपकी लाइफ का एंड इट ओनली इम्पैक्ट्स दैट इट एक्चुअली इम्पैक्ट्स एवरीथिंग यू डू आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ आपकी लोकेशन एवरीथिंग सो इट
Everything.
इट रियली इज about everything you do. um, so it's very different than any other job or any other professional choice you may make. And if you like that lifestyle, then you're going to stick around. If not, then this is not for you. But for me, it has, I mean, I just don't know any other way of doing it anymore, right? I mean, and I have done corporate as well. So I have done corporate jobs as well, and I've seen that side as well. And being on this side, and having been living this kind of lifestyle for the last 5 years, I just don't know how to go back to that corporate lifestyle anymore. I don't think I can do it. Every day is new. There are just so many challenges. Your brain is always like stimulated and working, towards some problem or the other, and it's just very very interesting, in general. Your life becomes
Mm.
very interesting and happening when you become an entrepreneur.
Mm. Mm. Right. Right. So, so this is the best part, which you have enjoyed being an entrepreneur, and but
Yeah.
like I would also like to know like your experience here working. Like you have office here in Lucknow, you work from Lucknow, and you have farms in Lakhimpur, Sitapur area. So, how was your total experience like out of it? Working in a tier two city, hinterland of India,
Yeah.
hinterland of Uttar Pradesh. So, how was
Yeah.
your experience?
So, a lot of people ask me actually that question, that why Lucknow and how did you move to Lucknow, and
Yeah.
these are people who are, say, living in Delhi or Gurgaon or Mumbai. So I didn't move from Delhi to Lucknow. I actually moved from Singapore to Lucknow.
Yes.
And
Yes.
Manish moved from London to Lakhimpur. So
Yes.
the change was actually much more than just that. But to be
Mm.
honest, for both of us, the people we are, it never really stuck us like that. That we are making that tough call, and we are going to move to a smaller city. It was never like that. It was always about what the business demanded and what was good for the business. And
Mm.
because we were into a business where agriculture was a very important component of it, we were anyways traveling a lot to all these farms and everything. So at that point, it just made sense to have our base kind of in Lucknow, and we were also
Mm.
working, with a lot of CSIR labs here. We were doing our R&D, in collaboration with them. So we were anyway spending a lot of time here. So we just thought that it made sense to kind of have our base here.
Mm.
And we didn't feel that we it was going to be disadvantageous, or इसकी वजह से कोई हमें problem होगी या ऐसा कुछ होगा. We never thought that way. I mean, it just felt like कि yeah, this is the best thing for the
Right
business.
choice.
हमारा ज़्यादातर काम यहाँ हो रहा है. We should be here, and that's it. I know that for some people it is a big thing. People
Mm.
still keep, especially on the hiring side, right? I mean, people ask me ki hire kaise karoge? You will not find good people there, and this and that. But luckily, we have found people who have moved from all around India to Lucknow. We have people who have moved from Hyderabad, Chennai,
Wow.
Himachal,
Wow.
from all around India to Lucknow actually. And I think it's kind of
Wow.
a positive as well that when somebody actually moves their base from a completely different city to
Right.
your city, you know that they are committed, right? They are not just doing
Yeah.
it just as a
Correct.
stopgap or as a
Mm.
launching pad for another job.
Wow. Great. So, when did you realize that your venture, Arboreal Innovations, Bioinnovations, would be a success?
I don't know if I can yet call it a success, but I think we are on the right path, and that was always there in our hearts and in our minds that what we are going to do is going to be big. Otherwise, we wouldn't be doing it. Like we had fairly good established careers, both of us, me and Manish, and we decided to actually quit all of
Hmm.
that, and we jumped into it. We jumped into it with all we had. I mean, all the money, all the connections, everything we had, and we are doing this, with the idea that it is going to be big.
Yeah, even when I saw your office and like the people, the how people are committed, I was like, I was inspired and motivated myself to do something. So, and then that's how actually I would say that we also started working more on the track for upscale also. It is an amazing,
Thank,
like lots to learn from you guys. And
thank
more
you.
probably, I'd also like to ask, like uh, like you have featured in international media. I've seen that you're in the New York Times Style magazine in Singapore, then BBC World News also, and also on Indian news channel that is Rajya Sabha TV. So, how
Yeah.
was your experience about it? And like, do you think that Indian media also needs to realize talents like you and like also showcase you as the heroes, and people can inspire from you. Like that's how I got inspired. Probably they will also get inspired. You are on media, we can see you.
Right. So it was a good experience. It always feels good to see that your efforts are being recognized, by the global media houses. And the best part is that all this coverage that we got, was organic, and it was all inbound. So we didn't approach any of these to actually, cover us. They came to us, and so it was, very satisfying that we are doing something and it was like a third party validation that they also think that we are doing the right thing. So it was good. For Indian media, I don't know. It's a bit strange that Indian media hasn't covered us that much. We
Yeah,
have received more coverage from the international media. I don't
yeah.
know. I mean, maybe we need to, do some more work on that front. But probably the Indian media works a bit differently than the international media. So I don't know, but going forward, we are actually, now that we have a product in the market and it has been doing really well, we are actually thinking of doing some, press releases as well.
Ma'am, one more thing, like I didn't ask you, what is the meaning of arboreal? Like, why did you came to even about this name? I know about stevia, but how about
Right.
arboreal? Like, how did you thought
So
about?
arboreal is actually a coined word. It comes from the word arbor, which means forest and trees. So arboreal is somebody who
Yeah.
belongs to the forest or plants or trees or who lives in the forest. So that's just
Okay.
something that we connected very well with. Everything that we do is about working in harmony with nature. So whatever we do, we ensure that we use sustainable practices, and we don't do anything that causes any harm to the environment or the society. So yeah.
Mhm. Okay. Nice. And this, you have started this brand, Magic Leaf. Tell us more about it.
Right. So Magic Leaf was so Arboreal is actually a B2B business, right? And we manufacture our own stevia and we sell it to other businesses, who want to use our stevia in their products.
Mhm.
And we also help them formulate products. So if you are say a food and beverage manufacturer, and if you are making a cola or a sauce or a snack, and you want to use stevia in it, we will provide you that solution. And not just stevia, if you are just in general trying to reduce calories in your product, we will help you with that. But Magic Leaf was actually born out of pure pull that we saw from our customers. So because we have done so much work on stevia, both me and my co-founder, we have in a way kind of done PhD on stevia. It takes 5 years to do PhD.
Yeah.
We have been working on stevia for the last 5 years.
Dr.
And
Swati
we
Pandey.
well,
Yeah.
not officially, but yeah, I think we've done enough work on
Yeah.
stevia. So we used to talk about all these nuances on various platforms कि कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन सा पौधा है वो, कौन सा पौधा आप उगा रहे हैं वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, कैसे उगा रहे हैं, कब काट रहे हैं, वो सारी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है. So people used to ask us कि where do we even get your stevia, right? So you guys have been working on stevia, but where do we even find it? So we were like, okay, okay, let's make it available and let's see what people have to say. And we have obviously developed all this expertise over the last few years, and let's see. हम लोगों को obviously, as founders and as inventors of that formulation, we are very proud of it, and we think we have done a very good job. But then you want to take it to the consumers and get that feedback, get their feedback as well. That how do they find it? So it was purely from that perspective that we actually made it available on Amazon. And the response that we got was phenomenal. And that
Wow.
kind of encouraged us to, work more seriously on it. And also during the COVID period, when everything was shut down and, we couldn't do manufacturing and the B2B business was, slowing down, it was kind of a blessing in disguise for us because we got that time to actually focus on our brand and our brand, marketing strategy, content strategy, and all of that. And we launched our own store in June. And since then, we
Mhm.
have been growing very, very fast and really good response from the consumers.
Wow, that's great. So what are
So we
like
have a
future
couple
plans
more
for?
products also coming up.
Yeah. So what are your future plans and like what's your way forward? Yes, please tell me.
Right. So we are going to keep manufacturing stevia, and that remains at the core. We are getting some really large clients, and the demand is getting stronger and stronger. So we will be expanding our production capacity for stevia extracts. On the B2C side, we are launching a few more products that are in the pipeline, and I'm very excited about what we have done. I can't talk about it yet, but something very, very exciting is coming up very soon, and we will be expanding the Magic Leaf range of products to other products as well. And I just hope that we get the same kind of love from the consumers.
Definitely, definitely will get it. I hope it does pretty well.
Yeah,
So what is your
thank you.
advice to these aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start business or they're already in business? Please give some advice for them.
Right. So, see, I think this is a very cliche advice, but this is something that I always say. And it's really about just doing it and doing it with focus. I know a lot of people who are much more intelligent and smarter than me and much more talented than me, but I just find them too distracted, and not committed enough towards one thing. So they want to do a lot of things in life, right? But they are just not willing to make that commitment to that one thing. So find your focus, find your passion, and just do it, right? I think the single most important factor for a business success is perseverance. I think people give up way too soon, right? And I've seen that there are people who just keep trying and trying and trying, and when they succeed, people think that it was overnight success. But if you pick up any successful entrepreneur or any successful business, you would see that it has been in the making for a few years. So I think perseverance and focus is very important.
So here we come to a final question, and then we will have some fun questions, which will be later on.
Right.
But the final question is like, how do you feel like being a hinterland hero? giving jobs to people in Lucknow, employing people and being an inspiration to them and doing something which people never expect, coming from Singapore, doing something here, coming from London. Manish Chauhan came, our co-founder, came from London. He left his job. He also came. So, how do you feel to be an entrepreneur? I would say like a hero. I would consider you to be a hero, frankly. So, how do you feel?
Right. So thank you so much for that, term hinterland hero. Uh, I think we don't see ourselves as heroes. I think it's really the people who work with us, who have joined hands with us, who are the heroes. We are just kind of medium to make that happen. But really, I mean, it is one of the things that that keeps us going. Whenever we see the impact that we are creating, that gives us a lot of satisfaction. Last year Diwali, it happened when it kind of hit us that that we are actually doing something on scale. When we asked one of our farm guys to tell us the number of workers who are working on different sites, because we wanted to give them like some sweets for Diwali. So he gave us a list of, he told us that कि आप 250 किलो खरीद लीजिए, एक एक किलो सबको देना है तो. And we were like, 250 kilo? That's like one fourth of a ton, right? So he says, हाँ, उतने लोग हैं
पूरे गांव
हमारे
को
यहाँ. And
बांटना.
then no, no, no. So, and then he said, he gave us the list with name and, the
अच्छा.
village's name. ये लोग हैं हमारे साथ जो regularly काम कर रहे हैं. So that is when
Oh,
it hit us कि actually 250 लोग हमारे साथ रेगुलर बेसिस पे काम कर रहे हैं इन एरियाज में. ये
wow.
गांव है जो कि रिमोट है, लखीमपुर सीतापुर के आउटस्कर्ट्स में. इसमें से कुछ गांव ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे अभी भी बिजली नहीं है. देर आर फार्म्स जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्शन नहीं है, वो अभी भी पंपिंग सेट वगैरह से खेती कर रहे हैं. तो ये वो एरियाज हैं. एंड व्हेन वी थिंक कि हमने जॉब्स क्रिएट किए हैं इन एरियाज में, एंड इट्स रियली अ 0 to 1 चेंज. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हम जॉब्स क्रिएट करें सिलिकॉन वैली में उन लोगों के लिए जो ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड में है, राइट? दोस
Right.
सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर्स जिनके पास प्लेंटी ऑफ ऑप्शंस हैं. हम उन
Yes.
जगह पे जॉब क्रिएट कर रहे हैं जहां पे दीज जॉब्स वुड नॉट हैव एग्जिस्टेड इफ वी वर नॉट देयर.
Yes.
So I think
Yes.
that is very powerful, and it gives us a lot of satisfaction. Also the fact कि इन 250 लोगों में से करीब 80% women है, so that gives us
Wow.
a lot of
Wow.
satisfaction, and it keeps us going. Yeah.
Wow. That's really great. Now, now we will be moving towards a little fun kind of questions, which we which everyone knows, that is a rapid
Yeah.
fire questions. So I'll be shooting to
Yeah.
you some questions. Like I'll giving you options. You have to choose one, and you don't
ठीक
even
है.
have to think. You have to tell. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Sugar or honey?
Honey.
Honey or jaggery? Good या honey? Good या शहद?
Honey.
Honey. Honey or stevia?
Stevia. For
मुझे
sure. That's an
लगा.
easy one.
Okay, okay. अच्छा, so what's your favorite Lucknow startup? Your favorite, apart from your, of course, yourself, Arborial. Your favorite Lucknow startup?
Lucknow startup. I'm actually not very active in this space, but I think everybody is doing a great job. The previous one that you did with Kiros, I think that's a
Mhm.
very interesting one as well.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very inspiring
yeah,
story too. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. And if you talk about the whole world, like, which is your favorite unicorn startup? Your favorite unicorn startup?
My favorite unicorn startup. I don't know if you can call it startup, but I really like SpaceX.
Ah, me too, me too. Elon Musk.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, yeah.
And there's an interesting question, which who can be your, like, who is your favorite investor whom you would like to have on your board of
On my board, Elon
of
Musk.
Arboreal Bioinnovations? Elon Musk.
Elon Musk.
Oh wow.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think the way
Same,
he
same.
thinks, yeah, it's very different and inspiring.
Yeah. Yes. Uh, Kiran Mazumdar Shaw or Adar Poonawala. Both are
Kiran
from
Mazumdar.
biotech industry.
Kiran Mazumdar Shah.
Is it because of the woman angle or?
No, she's
Because he's
very
also doing
inspiring.
something for COVID
No, no,
19.
she has had
He's
a very interesting story as well. Her journey has been very
yes,
inspiring.
yes,
She's an engineer herself,
very.
and she created this.
I'm just, I'm just pitching you. Don't mind.
Yeah, no, 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 no. No, I really find her very
Yeah,
inspiring.
yeah, she's. Uh, Green tea or masala chai?
Green tea. I don't drink masala chai
Singapore या
though.
लखनऊ?
That's a
सिंगापुर या
difficult
लखनऊ?
one. That's a difficult one. I live in Lucknow, but I really like Singapore. Yeah, Lucknow.
एक
Okay,
ही चुनना है
let's
तो
go for
जल्दी चुनो
Lucknow.
यार. अच्छा, लखनऊ.
Lucknow, Lucknow.
Your role model,
My role model. Um,
just
I
one.
have a couple. Okay, Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Say stevia in Hindi, your local language.
It's called Meethi Tulsi also
Yes, yes, yes.
in Hindi. Yeah.
Okay, so this we finished with rapid fire questions, but I would like to ask why Bill Gates?
Bill Gates, because he is there are a lot of billionaires, of course, in the world, who have done good work. But I think the thing that I really like about Bill Gates is how he's using his wealth to create a positive impact for the world. And one day, if I get into a situation, into a position like him, I would want to do the same thing. I would want to be in a position where I can create a positive impact on other people's lives.
Nice, very nice. So we have some audience questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, do you think tier three is a more difficult place to be as an entrepreneur?
Um, I think 7 months ago, the answer to that question was yes. But I think it's changing in the post COVID world. I think people have now seen that location isn't that important anymore. People have seen that people can work very efficiently remotely as well, sitting wherever they want to.
Like,
So I don't think
coronavirus
that's,
taught us that.
yeah. So I think one lesson that we can probably learn from this crisis.
Hmm. Okay. Now there is a technical question. What role does the right blend or do the right blend of glycosides play in getting what perfect stevia extract is?
Right. So
Very
it
technical. पहले आप
is
बताइए ये
the
होता क्या है लोगों
हाँ,
को.
thank you for that question. It is actually the most important factor, right? So basically, जब हम stevia extract की बात करते हैं, तो it's actually a collection of different glycosides, and this is what makes stevia very complicated. So it's not like sucrose. जो sugar होती है, उसमें एक ही molecule है खाली C12H22O11. एस्पार्टेम की बात करें, सुक्रोलोज, जो दूसरे आर्टिफिशियल स्वीटनर्स हैं, वो सब एक सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल है। लेकिन ये स्टीविया एक्सट्रैक्ट जो है, इट्स एक्चुअली अ मिक्सचर अबाउट 38 डिफरेंट ग्लाइकोसाइड्स, और इन सभी ग्लाइकोसाइड्स का टेस्ट अलग होता है, इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज अलग होती हैं, इनकी ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक प्रॉपर्टीज की, लिंगरिंग कितनी देर तक आएगा, कैसा प्रोफाइल होगा, एवरीथिंग इज डिफरेंट। सो इसीलिए जो आपका फाइनल एक्सट्रैक्ट है, उसमें इन सभी ग्लाइकोसाइड्स का कैसा कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, दैट हैज अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट ऑन द टेस्ट, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो द रीजन कि सेम ग्रेड का स्टीविया आप अगर अलग अलग ब्रांड से खरीद के खाएंगे तो उसका टेस्ट डिफरेंट होगा, क्योंकि उसके एक्सट्रैक्ट की कॉम्पोजिशन इज डिफरेंट इवन दो इट इज स्टीविया एक्सट्रैक्ट।
Right, 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 right. एक लास्ट
या
क्वेश्चन शुगर वर्सेस स्टीविया के ऊपर क्वेश्चन है व्हाई इट डिड बिकम मोर पॉपुलर एंड व्हाई स्टीविया हैज अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो.
राइट, सो कैन यू रिपीट दैट क्वेश्चन? द क्वेश्चन इज दैट
Okay, so actually the question is why did stevia did not pick up as sugar alternative and artificial compounds like aspartame and sucralose while they become popular? Why do you think it is
राइट
going to be popular? Yeah.
Right. So stevia had actually multiple issues. So one was the taste. So when it comes to any food product, taste is the single most important factor, right? So although it is sweet, I don't know if you're familiar with stevia and if you've tasted stevia before, but it is the sweetness that stevia gives is slightly different from sugar, and it has slightly slight aftertaste and lingering, after you've consumed it, and that remained a big
Mhm.
challenge because people were just finding it difficult to get used to that taste. But the good news is that over the last 3-4 years, a lot of technological advancements have happened in this space. And so now the new products that you get in the market containing stevia don't have that taste issue. And that is the reason we call it stevia 2.0. That it is really a different version of stevia. The other reason that it didn't take off was the regulatory approvals. So all the regulatory bodies, took a lot of time to study stevia and give it that, safety approval. So FDA approval only came in 2009. The Indian FSCI approval came in only 2015, and so that is when the market really opened up. And there are again multiple reasons why it took that long, because there were lobbies from the sugar industry as well as the aspartame industry. So these were the primary reasons. But now that they are out of the way, I think the future for stevia is quite bright.
Okay. Really, it was a pleasure having you here, and we had a great session.
Okay.
Thank you for accepting our invitation and being here. And I'm sure viewers learned a lot from you. And
Likewise, pleasure to
thank you
be
so
here.
much.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I would like to say that Hinterland Heroes, we will be having the next session on 21st. We are going for a Diwali break. And so happy Diwali to everyone. And happy Diwali to Swati also, and everyone, all our viewers. And hope we all can be inspired and motivated with this series and can do better and become excellent entrepreneurs in future and do something
Yeah,
for
very
our
happy
hinterland.
Diwali. Wishing a very happy Diwali to all the viewers. Thank you for your time, and I hope that this you found this session interesting.
Thank you, everyone, and thanks to Government of Uttar Pradesh, Start in UP, TIE Lucknow, Truelogy, Value and Answers, and of course our own company, Upscale.work. Do watch out for new things, and of course watch out for new products from Arboreal. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.